Before kings or coins, there was bread. It isn't just food, it's the reason you live in a city. Here is the 14,000-year rise of the loaf. 1. The accident 14,000 years ago. It started in Jordan's Black Desert. Hunter-gatherers crushed wild wheat, mixed it with water, and slapped the paste onto hot stones. The result? A hard, cracker-like flatbread. No ovens, no yeast, just portable fuel. 2. The gamble 10,000 BCE. Humans realized seeds grow into plants. Suddenly, hunting looked lazy. Farming wheat was backbreaking, but it created a surplus. For the first time, you could store food for winter. That surplus allowed villages to grow into cities. Bread forced us to settle down. 3. The Egyptian miracle, 3000 BCE. The real magic happened on the Nile. A baker left dough out too long. Wild yeast drifted in. The dough bubbled and rose. Leavened bread was born. Egyptians called it the food of life. Pyramid builders were paid in bread loaves. White bread was for the rich, dark bread for the poor. 4. Rome's weapon 500 BCE, 500 CE. Rome knew a secret: control the grain, control the people. The government gave free bread to the poor, bread and circuses. If the bread ran out, emperors fell. Rome standardized bakeries and watermills, making bread the glue of an empire. 5. The dark and the dozen medieval. After Rome fell, bread became dark, dense rye. The rich used stale bread as plates called trenchers. And the baker's dozen 13 loaves started. Here, bakers added an extra loaf to avoid being whipped for cheating customers. 6. The industrial villain. 1800s, 1961. In 1879, roller mills stripped away the germ and bran to make pure white flour. Then came the Chorleywood process. 1961, high-speed mixing, cheap wheat and chemicals. Bread went from a 12-hour craft to a 1-hour factory loaf, soft, square, and lifeless. 7. The sourdough rebellion today. We got tired of plastic-wrapped nothing. During the pandemic, millions returned to the old way. Flour, water, salt, and time. Sourdough, the original Egyptian method, is a probiotic living food. Real bread is back. Conclusion. Bread is not a side dish. It is civilization. From a burnt flatbread on a stone to a crusty sourdough on your counter, every loaf tells a 14,000-year story. Now go break bread.